Moi, my name is Emmi and I'm here to teach you Finnish. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about the verb to have and how it translates into Finnish. So in English, it's pretty straightforward. You have the subject I and then the verb have. But in Finnish, if you try to do it the same way, if you try to do a direct translation, it's not going to work. So don't use minä. I have an idea. Minulla on idea. So minulla is needed here. So how would you say you have an idea? Sinulla on idea. Now, this is probably not a sentence that you're going to use very often. Sinulla on idea. That's not a question. It's just plain, you have an idea. So that's not very useful. How do you say, do you have an idea? Well, first, you need to know how to say this. And then all you have to do is put on in the beginning. Make it a yes or no question by adding ko to it. Onko sinulla idea? Onko sinulla idea? Do you have an idea? If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. Thanks for watching. Moikka!